Besties, it's that time again. Let's create a budget for my first paycheck in the month of April. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is your vibe, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you are oldie but goodie, hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into this here budget. I really want you guys to really stop what you're doing and give this video a thumbs up because that does help the channel out. So I am going to be doing my budget for the first paycheck in the month of August. Oh Lord, in the month of April. And I'm sorry, I have a black and white copy here because I cannot seem to find my colored copy that I made, that I printed out, but it's fine. So I'm going to be using my calendar here, which will let me know what bills I have due during this pay period. I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, and I pay my bills with the money that I've gotten paid within that time frame, within that pay period, rather, I'll say. So that is the reason why I lay out my calendar like this. And I am kind of like a zero-based budgeter. I kind of like go back and forth, but I will be budgeting every dollar within this paycheck. So I'm getting paid on the 12th here. So 4/12/2024, and I'm gonna complete the inflow, and then we'll get to talking about everything.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt, men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha mig som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans. Tro mig, jag ska.
All right, let's get into the budget. So the rollover is a $131.86 and the income is $946.66. That gives an inflow total of $1,078.52. Tithes will be paid. That's already been taken out of the income. The mortgage have already been taken out of the income as well. I do have that, which is already direct deposited into into my mortgage account, which is just basically a checking account. HOA is $133. This is also taken out of this amount before it gets to this number. And I have that direct deposited over to my mortgage account as well, and it is paid out of that account. Life insurance did increase by $5, and life insurance is $117.04. My tax bill is $50. Car insurance is $175.93. Still looking at ways that I can increase this amount. This is my car insurance. Car insurance. Hulu Disney, $2.99. Amazon Prime, $16.15. And then 24-hour fitness is $31.99. Total amount for this life insurance and everything down is $394.10, and it gives a leftover of $684.42. So here I have $684.42. I have groceries for $150, and you guys, my gas for my last 2 weeks was up. It was $177.96, and I guess I was driving more because the last pay period it wasn't that much. So this is how much I use, and this is what I will need to pay off my credit card with. And then household $50. So that's a total amount of $377.96, leaving $306.46. So now we go over to the sinking funds. And if you caught my video where I did my quarter 1 update, I talked about basically sticking to one envelope at a time and taking that envelope to 100%, or to the goal amount that I have for that envelope, and then moving on to other envelopes. So that's essentially what I'm doing here. For my car maintenance, the goal is $120. So me adding $20 to that envelope will make this envelope complete. For car wash, taking $12 and adding that, and that will make this envelope complete. I do need to get a car wash, so that's the reason why I put it there. And then cleaners, this is the next envelope that I'm going to be working towards, so I'm putting $100 toward that envelope. It wouldn't be complete yet, so the next paycheck that I do receive, then I'll be continuing to fund this envelope until it is complete, and the goal is $300 for that envelope. So the sinking funds total is $132, and the leftover is $174.46. So I do not have any debt that I am contributing extra. That will be coming out of my side hustle money. And then my extra savings. So I have my 52-week savings, and the total is $140 for the month of April. So I'm just gonna take the whole $140 and save it. Usually I take 2 squares and I contribute every 2 weeks, but I'm just gonna take the $140 contributed and be done with April. And then the next paycheck that I get, I will be then contributing 4 squares or 4 circles to the 3,000 challenge. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this paycheck. That leaves me with I wish. That leaves me with $34.46, which I will be taking that over to the spending account, or I will leave it as rollover to the next pay period. So this is pretty much everything for this pay period or this paycheck, and this is how my money will be allocated. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer those questions for you. Next step will be to go and take this money out of the bank and use cash. But that is it for this video. I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.